Alright, let's do this. I'm pushing this for too long, so let's do this. As you guys can see, it's still a bad weather. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. Today we're gonna do two things. I want to talk to you all the projects I have going on, because I just realized this daily vlogging thing put so many projects on my plate, and we need to give you priorities to one and see what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna make you guys aware what we have. And I also, my truck has been sitting there for probably 6 or 5 days, not even a cold start, nothing. I don't even at this point I can get in the truck, and it's freezing. Today it's like 19 degrees now. It's freezing. Today would be perfect for the Corvette no roof challenge, but it's a truck kind of day. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get in the truck. That's the first thing I need to do, and then I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and I'm gonna explain to you the things are coming. We have a lot of Corvette content and projects, and we also have truck projects, so it's a lot of things going on at the same time, right? So cold start, please, babe. I'm sorry I left you alone for too long. Ooh, I thought that would not work. Let's see if I can get in it. Look, I cannot get in though. Oh boy. Ah, it's freezing. It's freezing. Ah, dude, I cannot get in my truck. How ridiculous is that? Dude, how stupid I am. See? I think I need something else. And I need another glove. Dude, this is ridiculous. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Whoa, what's going on here? Whoa, where are you going? You wanna leave, buddy? You staying? Actually, that happened because I have the keys in my pocket. Oh, dude. Look, I can't. It's not opening. It's frozen. I don't think it's gonna be. Look. Look. Oh. Now it's here, look. Oh, damn it. Ah, this is painful. The only reason why I'm doing this is because tomorrow I gotta drive the truck. My wife is taking her car, and dude, I need to get in the truck first. So you guys stay here, and I try to get in there. So I try to break the ice on the doors, but it's too hard. Look, and even the door is open here. Ah, dude, I hate winter. I really do. I'll leave that for a while there. You see, I thought I would use this and see if it's gonna melt. It's kind of warm here, so I'll stay here. So let's see how long that's gonna take. I hope melts. Dude, even the tire. I don't know if I can drive this, to be honest. I don't think I can drive this. What do you guys think? Look, it's ice all over the place. But anyway, I'll leave the truck there for a little bit, and I want to just use the tripod because I'm freezing. So since I started doing this vlogmas thing, I kind of got in a rhythm that I have a lot of stuff on my plate. A lot of stuff with the Corvette, a couple of things on the truck, and the truck, as you guys can see, is really hard to do like content right now, especially in this kind of weather. It's freezing, it's snowing. I don't mind the snow though, but when it's like 19 degrees outside, it's really tough. So my main goal today it's getting the truck. But anyway, just to keep you guys posted what's going on, today is Thursday. This weekend we kind of heading Christmas, and I have family over for next entire week, so I don't want to spend time making videos since I'm gonna have family here with me. I think this is a special time of the year that I really wanna spend time with my family, you know, reflect a little bit what is important for me, you know, because family, it's always the main thing in my life. And also spend time with friends, celebrate Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you enjoy your holidays. I don't believe I'm gonna be able to make any videos next week, maybe 1 or 2 depending how that goes, but I want to keep you guys posted what do we have going on. First, we have the new mirrors. I want to install that, and a lot of people got me ideas to wrap the mirrors in carbon fiber, which is actually a good idea. So that's number 1. Number 2, I need to finish the wrapping the roof, which is kind of the same wrap I'm gonna use for both. Of course, the mirror has installation on. The headlights, I'm waiting for the lens, should be here any day, and that's a big, huge project. The truck just shut off, so let me start that again. I need to get in that truck though, I cannot leave it there. So, I don't even, do I have a full tank of gas? I think I do. Besides the headlights, which is gonna be a huge project, I believe that headlights thing is gonna take like 2 or 3 days. Videos, I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but videos at least 2 or 3. At least 2, the minimum 2. And besides the headlights, I'm also gonna paint the calipers. So just for the Corvette, I have a lot of content come to you guys. I also have something planned with my friends. So I will probably go to one of their houses and spend time with them. You gotta stay tuned for that, because you know we're gonna bring different stuff. And besides all these things going on with the Corvette, I also have the truck. The truck, we also have the big thing, it's the rock lights. I'm super excited for that. And I have a small upgrades that I want to do regarding the tail light. And I don't want to say that, but I will save that for another video. But I think I need a new antenna. I want to do the grill. I want to do the LED on the grill. And I'm also going to share with you guys my goals for those 2 vehicles in the future. That's basically what I have so far now going on. I know it doesn't seem a lot, but it is a lot when you have a full-time job. And then, trust me, when I decide to make the Vlogmas, was like, I don't know if I can make it. So far, I took 1 day off, and I believe you gotta take a day off. But I really appreciate you guys' help on this. But thank you for hanging there. This just showed me how much I could get done in the cars when I put like a lot of effort on it, right? So, and I really appreciate the fact you guys are watching, and the fact you guys appreciate my content. That means so much, so much. I really appreciate it. And now, let's try to get in the truck. It is so cold. So freaking cold. Can you see it?
Approximately 10 hours later.
Alright, I don't know what to do. You guys gotta watch more videos to know if I got in the truck or not, because I'm not gonna be sitting here. My feet are freezing, and well, I'll go up inside to get warm. I don't want to get sick. You see, never leave your truck when it's like, this morning was 10 degrees here in New Jersey. Now it's kind of 19. I'll leave this thing here for a while just to see if it melts, and we'll see how that goes. Again, thanks so much you guys for watching. I'll probably have a couple more videos on the last stretch for you guys, and I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow, maybe someday. As always, never forget, even the code, enjoy your life. Yes, 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 I opened it. I did it. There you go. I opened, so I can get in the truck now. Let me just put this away a little bit. Oh boy. So we good. Yeah, the back door doesn't open, but the front door, we good. See you guys. I told you that thing works. There was a reason why I have this thing here. It's not in vain. It's not in vain. See you.